Hello beautiful people, you are warmly welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we are going to be making our natural fertilizer cream for your hair growth. If you have not been experiencing hair growth, guys, this fertilizer cream is going to grow your hair faster, longer and fuller, and it is natural. You are going to make this right at home. So let's take this short commercial break and I will be right back. You are warmly welcome back from that short commercial break. So the first thing that we are going to be doing today in today's video is to look at our herbs or look at our ingredient. So right now I have green tea, I have rosemary, and I also have horsetail herbs, and our base for this cream is petroleum jelly, or you can just get the normal Vaseline, the original Vaseline from your grocery shop or from your market, wherever you're watching me from. Just get that in your boutique, your supermarket, and let's get this done. This is very natural, but it's going to help your hair to grow. So for us to start this formulation, we need to blend our herbs into powders. Okay, so I am using just 1 tablespoon each of these herbs, and I'm going to put them into my blender. This is very easy, especially if you're a woman and you cook. These are like spices that we blend at home to make our food. So we are just going to blend this quickly, and then we will get to our stage 2. So let's go and blend this and I will be back. Now we are ready. Our herbs are blended together, and now we are going to take the measurement of our Vaseline or petroleum jelly. So what you are going to be doing, I'm doing 150 grams. So I'm just going to take the measurement 150 grams of petroleum jelly or Vaseline into my beaker. And then I am going to do a double boiling method. I'm just going to put this beaker into a double boiling method on my stove, and I am going to be doing it on a very low temperature, because this doesn't take time to get melted. So don't stress yourself putting this on a high temperature. We're just going to do it on a very low temperature, and then I will come back for us to continue. So now what we are going to be doing is, I'm just going to put it as I said. So I'm just demonstrating for you to see what you have to do. You put it in like this, and then you're going to put it on your stove for it to get melted. Our Vaseline or our petroleum jelly is ready. It's melted, as you can see. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just to combine these with my herbs. So I'm just going to add my herbs into the petroleum jelly, and I'm going to mix it properly. Make sure that everything is well mixed, and we want to infuse these herbs into the petroleum jelly. So what we are going to be doing, because if you do not put these on a little heat, your petroleum jelly can get hard, and we don't want to our petroleum jelly to get hard right now. So what we are going to be doing, we are going to take that back to the stove, and we're going to put it on a very low temperature, and we're going to allow that to infuse for about 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, this is how my product is looking. So as you can see, it is still liquidy. It is not dry because there was a little heat that was, involved, and because of that, we're able to keep the Vaseline not to get dry or not to become hard again. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to strain our petroleum jelly and the herbs, and we're going to make sure that we extract the herbs from the jelly because we need just the jelly right now. We don't need the herbs. So what we are going to be doing is that the herbs has already done its job and it has infused properly. So we are just going to, throw that away after straining. So as you can see on your screen, it is very explanatory. So I want you to just watch closely, and we will get to the next stage. Guys, if you have watched this video up to this place, please kindly like this video, give this video a thumbs up, support this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe because you are going to get a lot of benefit on this platform. So right now our infused Vaseline is ready, okay, and you can already see that it is getting whiter. That it means that it is getting dry, so we have to be fast. When you take your Vaseline out of your hot water or your warm water, that is how it's going to be, it's going to get harder or it's going to get thicker. So avoid that and be fast when it comes to this stage. I've also used too much of the peppermint because I love peppermint for my scalp, but if you do not like peppermint, you can use any essential oil of your preference, and you can use between 5 and 10 grams of your essential oil, but I have used 10 grams and I think it was just overpowering. I was feeling too much heat on my scalp, which I love, but some might not like it. So I am just giving you the caution so that when you are preparing these, you can use between 5, maybe 4, 5 will be just perfect for normal heat or normal peppermint or normal normal heat for your scalp. So now our cream is ready. I am just going to transfer these and I will show you how you can use this effectively to help your scalp and your hair to grow faster, longer, and healthier, especially if you have dry hair. If your hair is not growing because you don't have moisture in your hair, guys, watch out for the demonstration because I'm going to do that right here in this video. I'm just going to allow these to get dry and then we can use it in our demonstration. Now look at this beauty. Oh my God, this is what you are buying in the market. You can do it at home. It is beautiful, it is natural. You know what you have in this. So guys, this is it. I am just going to start to use this on my hair, and I would love you to come along with me, and do not forget you can tell me anything in the description. So I am going to twist my hair. So the first thing that I want you to do is to use a spray bottle. Spray a little bit of water. Let your hair be damp. You can see right now I'm going to use it on my scalp. With the scalp, it was so fulfilling. There's going to be this stimulation that is going to go on. You will feel the tingling effect, especially if you use the peppermint. And then you're just going to detangle your hair after applying the cream, and I just twist it. So that's what I have been doing to my hair, and after you have done this, you are good to go. I am going to be using this for the next 2 weeks because I want to go and do my hair. So that's what I just don't want to manipulate my hair at this point, so I decided to put my hair into twist. This fertilizer cream is also great for people who are struggling with their edges. If your edges are thinner or your edges are not growing, please use this cream. As you can see, I had some challenges with my edges the last time I did cornrow from my hairstylist, and I have been using this cream, and this cream has been helping me and has grown back my edges. So if you are watching me and you are struggling with your edges, please do this cream. And just remember that anytime you want to use this fertilizer cream, your hair is damp, get a bottle of water or a bottle of spray bottle of tea. You can use water or tea, and before you use your cream, just spray your tea or your water and let your head be damp. Don't let it be wet, just damp, and then apply your cream. Do this every day, every morning or every evening when you are going to bed or when you are about to leave the house. Your edges will grow back. I can tell you for sure, I have used this and it has really worked for me. One thing that I've also realized that it keeps my hair very moisturized. Anytime I use this, my hair doesn't feel dry. It takes me about 2 weeks before I can use any cream or anything in my hair. So yes, it is great for you. Just do this because I know you are going to see a result. Once again, if you have watched me up to this place and you have not yet liked this video, guys, support this channel. I am very grateful for your support all this while, and I would love you to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and remember to share with your friends and family. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I am here to help. And also remember to subscribe. So guys, do not go sorry. This is the cream that I have made. This is the India herb version or the virgin fertilizer version that I have made with the recipe that I'll be sharing with you. So watch out for that. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.